Hello there, boys and girls. Today is May 13th, Our Lady of Fatima's feast day, and we are learning about quadrilaterals today. You should have just watched the video defining the different kinds of quadrilaterals. It's also on the top of page 334, so just make sure you're aware of the definitions. Have your textbook open, okay? I'm going to draw these quadrilaterals. You draw them with me, okay? We won't do them exact, but just do your best. Okay, so number one gives you a shape like this. You have to define what kind of quadrilateral it is. As the video said, quadrilaterals have four sides, but there are different kinds of shapes which can have four sides. So this shape, we have to look, be a detective. What kind of clues do you know about this shape? So right angle, right angle, right angle, right angle. It's got four right angles. And then marking, right? 1 dash, 1 dash. These two sides are equal. You can tell that by looking at it too. And then this has two sides too, 2 dashes, 2 dashes. So these two sides are equal as well. But not all four sides are equal. Just two of the sides are equal with each other. This is a what? Say it out loud. Okay, rectangle. And a rectangle is defined as a quadrilateral with four right angles. 2 looks like this. Dash, dash. So 1 dash on both of those sides, 2 dashes on these sides. Look at your types of shapes, okay? We don't have right angles, so it's definitely not a rectangle or a square. Say out loud what kind of quadrilateral you think this is. Okay, this is a parallelogram because both sides, there are two pairs of parallel congruent sides. So these two sides are congruent to each other. They are the same length because they have the 2 dashes. These two sides are congruent to each other too. And these two sides are parallel. That means if they were to go on forever, they would never cross. These two sides are also parallel, meaning they would never cross either, even if they went on forever. Okay? So this is a parallelogram. Number 3 gives you a shape like this. We have 4 right angles, so it is a rectangle. But also you have 1 dash, 1 dash, 1 dash, 1 dash, which means all 4 sides are equal. So that is a square. Four looks like this. Okay, look at your trapezoid, look at your, I just ruined it. Look at your quadrilaterals. Okay, let's just read trapezoid now that I already said it. It's a quadrilateral with exactly 1 pair of parallel sides. So these two sides are parallel. They will never cross if they go on forever, but it only has 1 side of parallel sides. These two sides, if they went on forever, look, they would cross right here. So these sides are not parallel, these sides are. So unlike a parallelogram where both of the sides are parallel, this only has 1 set, so that is a trapezoid. And if you go on Google and you type in the etymology of the word trapezoid, I'll give you extra credit if you write on your if you write as a private comment on this assignment where trapezoids get their name. So it's etymology of the word trapezoid. I'll give you extra credit because I'm kind of curious. I don't really know where that name comes from. It sounds kind of cool. Trapezoid. Sounds like a robot mixed with a trap. All right, 5. Ooh, that's a fun shape. So the 5 looks like this. I'm gonna try to be careful here. Make sure I get it just right. I was very careful about these two sides. Look at what I did there. Okay. Try to notice what I did there. Then we have 2 dashes, 2 dashes. And then it's kind of like this. It kind of goes down like that. Just gonna erase this extra part here. And I'm gonna put these 2 dashes more in the middle. And then we have another dash, dash. All right, what is this one? Notice, parallel sides, no right angles, This is a parallelogram. Okay, there is not too much more I could do for you here. Let's skip to number 13. Number 13 is kind of cool looking. Trace each figure, then draw all its diagonals, count how many you have drawn. That means, by trace it, that means put your paper over the book and trace the shape, okay? So you can do that. I'm just gonna draw it off of looking at it, okay? Okay, so that's what 13 looks like. It says, draw all its diagonals, count how many you have. This is something you have to be very careful about. To draw the diagonals, you're going to, from each vertex, you're gonna try to connect each vertex with every other vertex that you can connect it to. So here's a vertex. I'm gonna start here and work my way around in a circle. Now, you can't connect this vertex to this vertex. It's already connected to it. That's just called a side. It's not a diagonal. So when you connect, but you can connect it to this vertex. And you know what? I'm gonna do this in a different color than I drew it in. Okay, so you can connect it to that one, and that one, but you can't connect it to that one because it's already connected. Do it with this guy. Can't connect it to him or him, but you can go here, here, and here. This one, you can't go there, but you can go, well, there already is a diagonal there, so you can't go there either. You can't go there, but you can go here and here. Do this guy, or this gal. Okay, this one can't go here, but oh, there's already one there, there's already one there. Oh, I can go here. Not there though. Okay, you can't go there. You already have one there. You already have one there. You already have one there. And you can see we're already done. You can't do the same diagonal twice. So now count all your diagonals to figure out how many there is in this shape. And for this job, I'm going to use my Yoda pen. All right, so we have 1, 2. I'm tracing over it again. Oh, Yoda pen's dead. Weird. You think he would disappear, right? Turn into a Force ghost. He just kind of died. Okay, so we're gonna go there. 1, 2. I'm going over it in black so I know if I've already counted it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look over it, make sure we didn't miss any. Okay, so this has 9 diagonals. And that's how you do it, okay? I'll do one more with you, and then you're on your own. Ooh, 14 looks very interesting. Let me know how to look at that shape. It's very strange looking. Huh, did I do this right? I'm gonna double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it should have 7 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, I did that correctly. I'm gonna put a dot in each of my vertexes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I take out my old red pen and I connect all the diagonals I can. Remember, you can't overdo anything you've already done. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Do him. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do. Oh. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Down here, we already got one there. It's very faded though. Okay, you can't do that, can't do that. Oh, you can do that. And you can do that. Okay, you here. Can't do that, can't do that. I can do this. Wow. We got a lot of diagonals going on here. Okay. Can't do that, can't do that, can't do that. Okay, so we're done here. We have done everything that we can do. Okay, so take out that other color you're using and go over them. Pause the video and then unpause it. We'll see if we get the same amount, okay? Okay, so as I do it, I'm gonna go here, 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 here. Oh, I should be counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. 14 is my answer. definitely easier when you have nice colors like that. Now with triangles, we looked at how when you add together all the angles, you're going to get 180. With quadrilaterals, when you add together all the angles, you get 360. So we're going to do